Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on an Asko dishwasher. The customer's complaint is that the top rack assembly comes off or it doesn't come on sometime. It doesn't slide back and forth. So there's ball bearing kit that needs to be replaced on it to fix this issue. And I have the part here. This is the ball bearing kit that goes on the side of the dishwasher where the slider goes. And these are the old pieces customer received it or collected from the dishwasher over time. These ball bearings, they once this kit or plastic assembly gets old, the ball bearing falls down and then the top rack doesn't slide back and forth. I also have the part number for this. It's 428814. And I will show you how to replace this. So we will open the dishwasher. On top of the dishwasher there's two tabs on the side of the slider, one here, one over here. So we're going to take it, we will push it and slide it to the sides, left and right, and then the slider comes out. So if you look here, I'm gonna pull this out. You see one piece is left there, the other than not everything has fallen down. And every time you take these bits and pieces out, the ball bearing would fall down and it will go straight to the bottom. So all the ball bearings are there. Come closer so you can see it here. You see those ball bearings? You can use your magnet to pick those up, or you can also use your hand to pick up these ball bearings. 2, 3, 4, these. You can also double check your filter assembly area to make sure you do not have any ball bearings here. I can see a little small piece of plastic here. And I will also check inside by turning this filter assembly here, that piece, you can turn it and check your filter area. You can always vacuum it or drain the water out and see it, but if you don't have a vacuum, you can use a towel to drain the water out, or you can just use your magnet there. And I'll get my magnet here. Here's my magnet. I will check here. I do not see any ball bearings, so it looks okay. And the new one, when you receive it, looks kind of like this, and you're gonna bend it. Should look like that. And now you can put this piece back in. We need a flat screwdriver. We want to pull this piece off by prying it from the bottom here. You can always press in here or from the back. Came off. You can insert your piece. Once it's all the way in, you can pull it out a little bit and reinstall this back, and it goes in the same position that came off. So you can always put this side first and then slide this side, the bottom side down, and so it kind of goes like that. Like this. Yeah, that's perfect. See, it slides back and forth. and you can do the same thing on other side. So this kit comes with 2 pieces. It will also give you the instruction here. This is the instruction if you have to follow, and it's even telling you how this plastic bearing piece assembly or guide rail bearing is supposed to bend, and then that's all. So these the filter area, all of this needs to be washed or cleaned. I will put the top basket, and on each side of the top the basket we got 2 wheels, on the left, 2 on the right, and these 2 wheels slides in there. So the way the wheel goes, and you want to do both sides at the same time, so kind of work on it back and forth. So I'll wash these filters. You can always use a baby bottle brush to clean this. If you don't have it, then you can also use your hand to clean it. Do you have a brush?
Brush, yeah. If you open a little drawer,
This one?
no, on top.
This one?
Yeah,
Okay, yeah,
yeah.
this is a perfect brush.
I didn't clean it.
Okay, you can come here. Looks okay. And this needs to be cleaned every 6 months. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my videos. If you guys have any question, please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and share my videos. Thank you.